Have you ever pondered over the roots of corruption and its far-reaching impacts on a nation? Let's delve into the intriguing case of India, a country that has been grappling with this issue for decades. Corruption is like a stealthy leech, feeding off the resources of a nation, and India, unfortunately, has been a long-standing host. To understand the magnitude of this issue, we must first familiarize ourselves with the Corruption Perception Index, or CPI. The CPI is a tool developed by Transparency International that gauges the perceived corruption levels in a country's public sector. It ranks countries on a scale of 0 to 100, with 0 indicating high corruption and 100 signifying very clean. Now imagine a report card that ranks nations based on their corruption levels. That's exactly what the CPI does. In the year 2023, India found itself placed at the 93rd position out of 180 countries. This implies that India is perceived to be more corrupt than half of the countries on the index. It's akin to a student scoring less than average in a class of 180 students. It's not a failing grade, but it's also far from excelling. So what does this mean for India? It signifies that corruption is a pervasive problem in the country, corroding the foundation of its institutions and impeding its growth and development. It's a grim reminder that there's a long and strenuous road ahead for India to eradicate this menace. This video has aimed to shed light on the issue of corruption in India, its implications, and the country's position on the global stage as per the Corruption Perception Index. We've explored the gravity of India being ranked 93rd out of 180 countries and discussed what this ranking implies about the extent of corruption in the country. We've also delved into the concept of the Corruption Perception Index, explaining how it operates and its significance in assessing a country's corruption levels. The importance of this index in influencing investor confidence, economic growth, and the overall image of a country has been underscored. In essence, the fight against corruption is not merely about improving a ranking, but about creating a society where fairness, justice, and the rule of law prevail. It's about building a nation that future generations can be proud of. The journey is long and fraught with challenges, but with collective effort and relentless determination, the goal is not unattainable. Remember, a corruption-free nation is not a distant dream, but a reality that we can shape with our actions and choices. The power to change lies within us, so let's wield it wisely and responsibly.